In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop images non-destructively in Draw.io for Confluence Cloud. To get started, open the Confluence page in edit mode where your Draw.io diagram is located. This should be the page that already contains the image you want to crop inside the diagram. Make sure you're editing the page, not just viewing it, so you can access the diagram tools properly. Once you're in the page editor, locate the diagram that contains the image. Click on the diagram, and you should see a floating toolbar appear. From that toolbar, click the edit icon. This will open the Draw.io editor in a pop-up window inside Confluence. Give it a moment to fully load before doing anything else. Waiting for the editor to finish loading helps avoid missed clicks or tools not appearing right away. After the editor opens, find the image you want to crop, right-click directly on that image, then select Edit Image from the menu. A pop-up window will appear. In that pop-up, click Crop. This will open the cropping interface where you can make your adjustments without permanently changing the original image. That's what makes this process non-destructive. You're changing how the image is displayed, but not erasing any part of the original file. At this point, you can choose the crop shape that works best for your diagram. The available options are rectangle, rounded, or ellipse. Rectangle is usually best for standard image trimming, while rounded or ellipse can be useful if you want a softer or more stylized look in your diagram. Next, adjust the crop area. You can do this visually by dragging and resizing the crop directly in the live preview, which is often the easiest method if you want to quickly position the image. If you need more precision, you can also enter values manually for the X and Y position, along with the width and height. This is especially helpful if you're trying to match exact dimensions or align multiple images consistently. When you're happy with the crop, click Apply. Then click Apply again to confirm the image edit and return to the diagram. After that, go to the top right corner and click Publish to save the updated diagram back into your Confluence page. And that's it. Your image is now cropped non-destructively in Draw.io for Confluence Cloud, which means you can always come back later and adjust it again if needed.